Hi. Hi. We will quickly look at this one. This is previous day's chart, 30th June 2025 chart. We are not experts, okay? We are just data scientists analyzing the charts. So let us look at what could have been a good entry point for yesterday, where we could have placed our trade. Yesterday, what was happening? The VIX was very high. It was in the order of 4%, plus 4%. Plus 4% means market will go down. That's how the VIX can be read. Market can go down. And in the morning, what happened? Uh, the moment the market opened up, all the bank stocks went down, but Reliance was up. That's why Nifty was going up. Okay. After that, after some time, Nifty also got influenced by Bank Nifty downward move, and Reliance also went down drastically. So the day PNL was operating around sometimes slightly negative, sometimes slightly positive like that. It was very difficult to understand which way to trade. But the way the banks, the key banks were going down, uh, it was clear that today we'll have a downward move. India VIX was also fluctuating around 2.5 to 4. So that was also making sure that there will be a downward move. The premiums movement was very less. Premiums were hardly moving in the initial first half. After this, it gave some move, but the premiums did move drastically like this start. So it was a very slow day from a premium standpoint. Both call and put were very slow. Okay, so what happened is the VIX was very high in the first half. It started going down. This was a good place to rebound because this is CPR. Virgin CPR is always a good place to rebound. Rebound. It went up and then it started coming down from this place. Okay, so now there is a rebound, and from here again it went up. So now what would have been a good entry point? First is, see, it came down, it slightly went up, and then it came down. Okay, our entry point on the upward, if we wanted to do a call buy, it could have been, see, it is going up, it slightly took a pullback, and then the moment it went up, this could have been an entry point. We got a confirmation. This could have been an entry point, and this slightly below this CPR, with this point could have been our stop loss, a small stop loss. So there we could have taken a good 1:3 or 1:4 kind of setup. Okay, so that is one. This could have been one entry point. The second entry point, what could have been is, see, this came down drastically. So from here there is no doji, so it was very difficult to understand whether it will come down or not. But since move was very big, there are two chances we could have taken this. This could have been a B setup. See, this is a A setup. Okay, or A plus setup, and this is a B setup because we are not getting a very clear confirmation. What we could have done is the moment it hit this mark, we could have bought the put and put the stop loss just above this, so that if it still goes against our direction, we could have done something and got out. So you lose less and win more. So here A plus setup could have been this one. See, it went down here. It tried to take a rebound, and then when it made this move and cleared this part with this thick one, so this was a good indicator. Now here we could have placed our put trade and taken this point, this trade up till here, and then got out. So only two A plus trades. And there can be other B and C trades, but A plus trades are only two. That's all we can see. Okay, what I've learned from some other people in UK and US is that whenever the big downward move comes, it comes in three cycles. So this is one cycle. Okay, this is one cycle. Second is this cycle. Then the third is this cycle. Okay, so it came down, slightly rebound, came down, slightly rebound, came down. So three cycles is that. After three cycles, chances are it will go up again. So using that rule, this could have been our uh, B setup, and we could have taken this trade up till here. So this was all about what trades we could have picked today on 30th June 2025. As I say, we are not experts. We are not any certified etc. We are just data scientists trying to explore and understand where we could have picked trades and what could have been A plus setup, B setup, and so on. Stay tuned, stay focused. We will again analyze what is happening today.